What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at a lot of new market movement within most of the major cryptocurrencies. We're looking at things like Solana, which broke out of its beautiful descending fractal bull flag formation, lower high, lower low formation, whatever you want to call it here. We had that confirmation break right above major price ceiling just a couple of hours ago, closer to last night, which caused us to buy in, or last night into the evening into last night, and which caused a reversal rally or a break outside, a recovery movement outside of the major downtrend here. Flash forward to XRP, and you can see we have a continuation, a massive, and I mean a monstrous ascending fractal forming here, ascending triangle forming here, filling in the gap here. We're almost at the end, which is very exciting. You can see we're kind of trending out of it right now. We're going to tweak that chart just a hair to include that, and then moving forward to Ethereum. Ethereum had a nice breakout. We kind of fell, and now we're most likely going to have a bottom recovery. That's what I'm hoping to see happen here. We have an ascending broadening wedge on Bitcoin. Typically, these are bearish, so we'll see where that wants to take us, but this was an easy reversal right here. If I jump to like the 3-hour charts, you can kind of see how easily this formation is starting to take place. So I'm excited to go over things like this. S&P closed above yesterday quite nicely, but you can see we are starting to head lower. I'm not sure where we're going to be moving to. It's definitely a tough one at that to kind of figure out where we're going to continue, because this is a huge possibility, like this higher low pattern here, if you want to play it like that. Or, I mean, it's tough. If you do real small, you can see it's something like this, and then we fell and started to drop. So that might have been broken here. But jumping to like weekly, if you look at it, it almost seems like we have these big swings and then corrections, and then we swing up higher again. So that's a huge possibility here, especially with a lot of the news that's floating around right now. People are saying the market's healthy, the market's strong. It's a big possibility, and that would mean we're probably going to see another swing to the upside here. It really just depends on how much lower we want to move to. Maybe target moving average right here and then reverse. I don't know. Anywho, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, before I dive into the technical analysis, I just wanted to let you guys know that BYDFI is doing a sign up and enjoy double rewards. For those that don't know, BYDFI is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use and trade around with here on the channel. It's pretty much the go-to crypto exchange, especially on this channel here, but pretty much a lot of people that I know actually use them and like it. So I highly recommend you check it out. More than that though, they are giving away a 31-day VIP rate and a $50 sign-up bonus, and even more incentives I'll go over later in today's video. But more information on BYDFI and the sign-up link is down in the description below, completely free. So make sure to check that out. But anywho, moving forward from that and diving into today's video. Yesterday, we talked about the fact that we are pumping. We had a reversal. We were falling just a couple of days ago, and now we're seeing that pumpage, that swing, that run to the upside here, and we're continuing to move even higher. So I'm excited to go over things like that with you today. I want to pull up the coin market cap to show you what exactly is going on here. You can see we're at 63 on the fear and greed. We look okay, but you can see we've been in a dump, a correction for quite a long time, and we've just now kind of completed hitting that bottom support and are starting to reverse out of it, which is really nice. You can see the run out. Same thing on a lot of these cryptos. We're seeing this kind of bottom that we hit, and then we're seeing that reversal or a recovery movement outside of that run here. So I'm going to start with XRP for all my XRP fanatics out there. You can see we have a beautiful ascending triangle here. Unfortunately, we haven't seen some explosive, massive movement retesting all-time highs or breaking above it here in a very long time on XRP, unlike other cryptocurrencies. And it's the underdog at this point here, but it's still a crypto that we can capitalize on. You can see if we tweak this down. I don't know if I want to do that. Yeah, we'll leave it like this. You can see it still is an enclosed ascending triangle here, where each time we fall, it's higher than the last. And we've been using this as a means of support consistently here. The goal, the idea, is that we complete this. We fill this in, we retest resistance up top, either yellow or either green or blue, fill it in, come to a decision. If we close outside of resistance, we can buy in and expect to see a break to the upside. If we break below, expect to see a dump, a correction to the downside. Either or, we'll be prepared because we have BYDFI, which I was telling you about earlier today. BYDFI, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange. They have a welcome rewards bonus and a demo trading account. So you can buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. They have a welcome rewards bonus. So you can earn over $2,000 in free cryptocurrency by completing easy, simple, and a lot of them are free tasks right here. And then on top of that, you can use a demo account, which gives you $50,000 in Monopoly money. So if you like watching the videos, if you want to learn to trade, figure out how to trade, or just get familiar with the exchange before you use real crypto, they let you do that with the demo account, $50K. Get familiar with everything, test my trades, test your trades, and then you can switch on over to the live account here, which is super cool. So more information about BYDFI is down in the description below. Make sure to sign up ASAP before this reward disappears. But with that being said, moving forward from XRP and looking at these other cryptos here, this is another easy crypto to capitalize on. You know, we like to move that stop loss up. It's very hard to sit in these markets here for a long time. You can see here on the 4-hour chart on Solana here, we had this kind of descending fractal forming. We saw closure outside of this resistance here. This candle closed us above, so we bought in, and then we started along that position up, moved that stop loss out, got stopped because of this major reversal here. But if I extend out to the daily, things really don't look too bad. Even though we're nearing overbought, we caught right back up to the uptrend here. And I'd honestly take a seat right now for a lot of these cryptos. It is the weekend, so we don't really see much movement, and that's all right. So I would likely think, I mean, Solana overall, for the longest time we've been tracking this since November of last year, has always been using this yellow uptrend consistently here. And you can see we came right back up to it. And now that we're above this major yellow resistance here, there's a good chance we're going to stay here. Maybe we'll fall, maybe we'll consolidate on it, but eventually we're going to come back up and retest 201. That might not happen tomorrow. It might not happen in a week. It might not happen in a month. But inevitably, we are going to come back up to 200, and I'm very confident in that here. So I would likely expect to see a reversal up to 204. Not really 204, 201, 204. In the very near future, we come back up to retest it. Solana is very strong, and it's only a matter of time before we see that retest. Anywho, same thing goes with kind of Ethereum here. Ethereum's also had this uptrend that we've been using quite nicely. We're kind of intertwined right now on the daily with the moving average here. But again, I likely would think we're going to continue to ride this out and upwards and expect to see us break to the upside here. You can see we have these kind of pennant flags, these massive fractals that explode. This was a huge one. This was so easy, textbook. Then we had this descending fractal, broke out of that, and then we fell to bottom support. Good chance we're going to use that to recover quite nicely, if you ask me, and that's probably going to swing us even higher. So I'm excited to see the results of Ethereum here. And then Bitcoin also looks really nice. We've been tracking this kind of ascending, broadening wedge on the 3-hour charts here, and we discussed just in yesterday's video inside of this that once we bottom off here, good chance we're going to rebound, use it as a support, and swing even higher. We did originally have this a little bit lower. We had it something like this, and then we adjusted it, we tweaked it, and this also looks all right. So I'd likely think, I mean, maybe we'll tumble a little bit, but we definitely have some sort of fractal moving here, although it is pretty wide. And I don't know how much longer it's going to last on those charts here, but it does look really nice. We're also inside a much bigger fractal too. So everything looks really nice across the board within a lot of these cryptos. I'm going to remove this one for right now, and you can see we did have a beautiful buying opportunity on the daily charts. Once this descending fractal broke us out, we've just been on the straight and narrow ever since, and we will be retesting all-time highs very soon. We're getting very close to doing that, so keep your eyes peeled on Bitcoin as well. S&P looks good, although I would likely think we're due to head lower. It's a possibility here. I don't think it's in the, at its lowest point just yet, but that's it for today. If you guys have any other opinions, questions, or comments, definitely let me know down in the comments section below. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.